Welcome back to the Edulexis Python course. Today is day 41, and we are diving into one of the most powerful features of object-oriented programming: inheritance. Think of it like genetics, how a child class inherits traits from a parent class. Imagine a car. A vehicle is a general parent class with features like engine and wheels. A sports car is a child class that inherits those features but adds its own unique traits like a spoiler or higher speed. Let's look at the code. To create a parent class, we just write a class parent name. Inside, we define attributes and methods like drive or stop. This is our blueprint for all shared behavior. I'm typing out our vehicles class now. We add an init method to store the brand and model. This ensures every vehicle created, regardless of its specific type, will always have these basic properties defined. Now for the magic. We define a class sports car, the vehicle. Notice that the vehicle's inside the parentheses. That tells Python that sports car inherits everything from vehicle. It's that simple. By doing this, the sports car automatically gets access to the drive method from the vehicle class without us rewriting a single line of code. This is what we call code reusability, a huge time saver. Now, let's add a method specific only to the sports car, like activate_turbo. The parent class won't have this, but our child class does. This demonstrates how children can be more specialized. Let's create an instance, my_car equals sports car, a Ferrari, 488. Now, if I call my_car.drive, it uses the parent's logic. If I call my_car activate_turbo, it uses the child's logic. Think of it as a hierarchy. Parent is the base. Child is the extension. You can even have multiple layers, like a race car inheriting from sports car. It allows you to build complex systems cleanly. A common mistake beginners make is forgetting the parentheses in the class definition. If you miss them, Python won't link the two classes, and the child won't inherit anything. Keep an eye on your syntax. Use inheritance when you find yourself writing the same code in multiple classes. It's a tool to keep your code base dry. Don't repeat yourself. If you have shared behavior, move it up to the parent. Let's refine our code. I am adding a simple print statement inside each method so we can trace exactly which class is handling the action in the terminal output. Watch how the flow moves. If you're unsure if a class inherited something, use the license function. It returns true if an object is an instance of a particular class or its parent. It's a great way to verify your hierarchy. Recap: parent classes hold shared logic, child classes inherit that logic and can extend it. Inheritance is about building relationships between your data structures to make code modular and scalable. You've successfully mastered the basics of inheritance today. Practice by creating your own classes, perhaps for a game with enemies and bosses. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Edulexis for day 42. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.